Hi everyone, I am Liyan Sebastian and I recently completed a 1-month Data Analyst Internship at Skoliko. During this internship, I worked as part of 5-member team on a project titled Regional Sales Analysis. The main objective of this project was to analyze sales data from different regions and provide meaningful business insights using Power BI. We started by collecting and cleaning the dataset using Python, ensuring that the data was accurate and ready for analysis. After pre-processing the data, we created a data model and developed various DAX measures to calculate important business metrics such as revenue, profit margin, and sales performance. The dashboard was designed with 3 major sections: executive overview and trends, product and channel performance, and geographic and customer insights. These dashboards helped us identify top performing regions, profitable sales channels, high value customer, and product performance trends. Through this project, we transformed raw sales data into interactive visualizations that support better decision making. The analysis provided valuable insights into revenue growth and profitability and regional business performance. This internship gave me practical experience in data analytics, data visualizations, dashboard development, and teamwork. I would like to thank Skoliko, my mentor, and my teammates for their continuous support and guidance throughout this internship. Thank you.